Hello, I'm Kuwaiifu and welcome to another video. This video I'm gonna be showing how to make anime eyes. Now you may ask why I'm doing a remake because look at this is bad. Of course I'm gonna remake it, and I also wanna show some of the techniques I've learned about the past few months. So I'm going to segregate this video into 6 parts. One is the making of the eye. Second is giving another shade for the eyes, which is blue. Third is adding emotions to the eye, which is star eyes. Then angry eyes, happy eyes, and then blushing eyes. So first let's start with the beginning, that is how to draw the eyes. I'm gonna be using Autodesk Sketchbook, but you can use anything for this.
Supporting me and staying with me. Because of you, I can do it. I will try to make the best. So I wanna thank you all. Thank you for my parents. Thank you for my illustrator. Thank you for all my friends. Thank you for everyone.
Thanks for everything and all the love you give. Thank you for supporting me and staying with me. Because of you, I can do it. I will try to make the best. So I wanna thank you all.
Thank you for my parents. Thank you for my illustrator. Thank you for all my friends. Thank you for everyone.
Now the second part is giving another color to the eyes. So for the coloring of the eyes, I got a new technique that for blending the colors, we can use 10% of the airbrush tool to mix it. It blends really well and it goes good. So I'm making another color for it so you can get more better view of how I'm shading the eyes. giving some emotions to the eyes. As you can see in a lot of animes, when they change their emotions, their eyes also sometimes changes. For example, when they are surprised, their eyes becomes like a star, and I call it star eyes. So I'm gonna be showing how to make a star eyes. Next is gonna be angry eyes. This is quite common in tsunderes, which are most of the angry type of anime girls. And yeah, so I'm gonna be showing how to make tsundere eyes. Next up is the happy eyes. There's nothing much to add in here, it's just happy. Next eyes, which is the final one I'm going to do in this video, is blushing eyes. The way anime girls blush is an art itself, so yeah. And that's the end. Thank you so much for watching. See y'all in the next video.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something